Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here, down at Ducati Chelmsford today. Today we're going to be doing a little unboxing of the new Scrambler FastHouse. So we're going to get it out of the box and have a look at the bike. Let's crack on with the video. No, you stay there, I'm sure you've got something to do.
You staying here now? No,
you staying here with me, mate.
I'll
look after you.
I see him sharing a banana earlier from either end. Right, so we'll unbox the bike then, yeah?
I'll be out there.
Yeah, I'll see you later.
No, you stay there, mate.
Just to give you a hand.
It's sunny now, the sun's come out now.
Yeah.
Perhaps me and you could have a dessert later, Mark, or something.
Yeah, well that's right. I'll buy you an ice cream today rather than him.
Alright.
So this is the FastHouse.
Here it is, mate.
The only one we see, and it's the only one we're going to see, isn't it?
It is, mate. Yeah.
Actually, I really like the picture of this bike.
Yeah, I do. This lot is a shop out in America.
Right.
They entered the race and they won it.
So they've done what? A design of their bike?
Yes.
Oh, we've got a blue and a red Desert Sled in there as well, haven't we?
Yeah.
I might wheel them out and put it next to them as well.
You know what I'm liking about that already, Mark? Without even lifting that up. The black and the red.
Yeah, he usually guns it.
Oh, the fella
you used to do the videos.
Yeah, the fella you used to work with. Yeah, your old mate.
Yeah, the old boy.
The old boy.
Shame he's gone now.
What happened to him?
He dumped me.
It's all about pulling handy again.
Yeah.
Not fitting. Like that.
We was just talking about the guy who used to do the videos.
Everyone's dead to you now.
Yeah.
Already?
All that eating we've done together.
They shared them stories. You shared a lot of time together.
Spent more time in the kitchen
Yeah.
than you have working, actually.
Yeah.
I did notice no one was out here in the rain earlier.
No. What about the Hornet? Oh no, it's not. Is it? Oh yeah, it is a Hornet. And the FZR sire.
Yes.
FZR, the longer that goes out the rain, the more it will improve it.
Charming that is.
What is it you like about them, sire?
Bit of a boiled crush, I think.
Did you used to have one?
No, never had one. My pal had one.
You know why you've never had one of them?
Why?
They are shit.
Have you ridden one?
Yeah, said 5,000 Genesis.
Thank you.
It was just like,
in the
I
40s.
made a GSX R1100 look old fashioned.
Thank you.
The GSX 1100 was old fashioned.
Yeah, but when it said 5,000, honestly, unbelievable.
What year is that?
It was like a
5
spaceship.
valves per cylinder.
1980s.
What's that, 1990, that particular bike?
Shorts valve.
So what else did you have? You had a ZX9 at that time, didn't you? I enjoyed that.
not a ZX line then, not then.
You wouldn't have even
Yeah.
had a ZZ R1100 then.
Nah.
It said 5,000 was slightly ahead of everything.
So it was like the first
and then
R1
the
then?
Fireblade moved it all on again. And
Then the R1.
Then the R1 moved it all on again.
The R1 smashed it.
And then the Hornet came along.
If there was a nuclear war,
can't
there would
kill
be
them, can you?
Honda Hornets
Yeah.
and cockroaches
Like
left.
a lovely
That's it.
one.
And there's the ZXR 400 there as well.
Yeah. Oh, hang on. Hang on.
Hello.
Hit the pause button, hit the pause
Anybody
button.
need a hand?
Yeah.
What are you doing out here?
I'm ready to help.
No, you weren't out here when it's pouring hard of rain.
I wasn't, I must admit. I was
No.
eating hot
Anyway,
dogs.
you're dead.
Paul, you can't just pick people up and drop them when it suits you. Doing the unveiling bit.
Do the unveiling.
Let's have a look. Well, it is nice actually, isn't it? That's a look. That is
Hey,
nice.
it's lovely, isn't it? Colour is just right. Black wheels.
What do you reckon, Mark?
Yeah. I like that.
Yeah, I do.
I like how they've written that FastHouse on
Yeah,
there
it's
as well.
cool, isn't it?
Oh right, so there's only 800 in the world.
Yeah. It's alright, isn't it?
And then black wheels like that. They're like a satiny finish, aren't they?
They're nice, isn't it?
Nice, isn't it?
Mark, can I just say something? He's just trying to wheedle his way back in
Yeah, I
here.
know. I'm trying to be nice
Yeah,
about it.
yeah, yeah.
Trying
Trying to break the ice
to,
now.
so, you know when sometimes you've done wrong and you fucked up,
Yeah.
you kind of overcompensate
Yeah.
for it, don't you?
He's making himself look a bit of a wally. Tell the word to use. Needed.
Yeah, it's very neat. It's gone all puppy like.
Yeah.
Right, so here it is, the FastHouse out. So I've got a couple of bits to put on it. Mirrors, and these also come with the grill for the light. on. That's just for the battery. There's the mirrors. So we'll get these on and then have a look at the bike.
It looks a bit more sort of urban, doesn't it? A bit more aggressive.
Yeah. Yeah. Right, let's put these bits on. So, well, I'm just going to ride this quick. They're actually, for someone my height, they're quite tall, these bikes. Right, I'm kind of on the balls on my feet on one of these. So I've never done a video on a Desert Sled, well, any of the Scramblers really. Maybe I should do a video on all the Scramblers. They're actually quite nice to ride. I mean, they're not mega powerful, they're sort of 75 brake horsepower, 800cc. The seats are probably harder than you'd think they'd be. But then maybe it's just me, a bit skinny. Just make sure all the brakes work, make sure everything's alright with the gearbox, the engine. The actual mirrors are probably about the best on all the Ducatis to see out of if you like looking behind you. The good thing about the Desert Sled is you can kind of do a little bit of green laning on it. They are a really comfy riding position. Nice wide bars. Like I say, kind of stopping like that, I'm kind of on like tiptoes a little bit. But yeah, it's really nice. I like this FastHouse. I think it looks the best out of the sort of three we got. Got the red one, the blue, which is called like sparkling blue. I think they could have probably come up with a better name than that. Like I say, they are only 75 brake horsepower. They're not the fastest bikes in the world. They ain't meant to be. But you know, you can have a nice ride on these around the lanes. I don't know what it is with birds lately, but they just like seem to keep flying. Look, there's another one there as I say it. I keep having birds like dive bombing me and stuff. Like pigeons and stuff like that. Not like girls. But yeah, these are just easy. Like, it's another bike that if you're sort of getting back into biking or you're new to biking, these are perfect really. Oh man, someone's having a barbecue. You can smell it. And the good thing is, if you're going down here and you see a little, you know, dirt road, trail, gravel thing, you can just go down here. The Desert Sled, I do like them. I particularly like it in this colour, the FastHouse colour, but they wouldn't be really a bike for me. But I can see why people buy them, if you know what I mean. They're nice, they're smooth, they handle nice, brakes are good. Yeah, nice bike. Well, that was an unboxing and a quick look at the new FastHouse. There's not much difference in the actual bikes between this and the Desert Sled. They're actually only, I think, like £210 dearer than the normal one, so for a limited edition of only 800, I think that's quite a good price for it. But the problem's going to be is getting hold of one of them. Although it's a limited edition, there's not actually no different kind of specs or anything with the bike. Probably would have been nice with maybe like red brake calipers or something. Personally, I think it's really nice. As always guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, and maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching.
He's going to ask me some funny questions now.
What are you doing tonight?
Don't know.
What are you going to do?
I'll be like Tony Montana.
Never seen Scarface.
No, come on, man. Why? It's just your thing.
I don't know if it is. I'm not really into American gangster things,
Yeah,
mob
but you
things.
like people be having their chopped up with chainsaws and stuff, don't you?
Yeah, of course I do.
That's part of your life in Romford.
Well, it's like that round the co-op.
Texas Chainsaw It's like that in your street, isn't
It's
it?
like that in my street.
Did you tell him there was a murder in his street?
Oh, well, the back of my house there was a murderer.
Yeah. He went home the other night, there's a tent in the road with a body in it.
There's a lot of that sort of stuff go down. Stabbing, there was a shooting, wasn't there, round the corner?
Where were you on these occasions? Exactly.
Look at this.
Oh, look.
Lois, can I just have a word about this? Do you know what's happened?
What?
I just come in and I said to Paul, what are you having? He said, I'm having hot dogs. I said, oh yeah. He said, I said, should we get chips? He went, well, me and Andy are sharing chips. Well, me and Andy are sharing chips. Well, me and Andy are sharing chips. I've been pushed away.
Andy's taken over.
Yeah, Andy's taken over.
Martin don't exist anymore.
Yeah, even Lucy knows it. I don't exist anymore.
I did hear Lucy say earlier to Paul, what about Martin? And he said, Martin who? Sorry.
This is all mine.
Yeah, I can imagine it is all yours.
Do you want a chip?
No, thanks, brought me home.
Have a chip.
No, I don't want one. How's your hot dog, alright?
Yeah.
I'm glad you've all got yours before I even ordered mine.
Well, what are you filming? Why are you filming me eating?
Just like to let everyone know, all our viewers know what sort of went down today.
I'm going to drink my body weight in porn star.
I'd hate to see a porn star at his body weight.
Anyway, do you want the fork for your chips?
No, all that time, like that. Remember?
Like I've cheated on you.
Still, it spices things up if you do that.
You got weird, isn't it?
Yeah, but people give it. People give it. I love hot dogs. It's got so much fucking mustard and
Use
sauce.
a bit of tissue. Oh, you.
What the hell?
Right, you asked for 2 hot dogs and your rings and chips. That's
I'm
what
not
you
sure
got.
I can eat all of that.
Best
Is it
mate
alright
in the
for you?
world. Oh, it's lovely.
Oh, good.
Thanks, Luce.
It's alright.
No,
There's too much of a scene about the chips.
no.
We're not doing it.
Keep your fucking chips.
Alright. Right. You over there. You want an onion ring?
I'm not keen on them.
He's got dessert for 2 as well.
Hang on, I like a candle. Do you want to share?
Share what?
Share those chips? Thank you, Lucy. Let me know what I owe you. Oh, look at that.
Oh, they're brand new gloves.
I'm used to splitting rubber.
Yeah, you're used to being a split up, like the Ducati people front. Whatever happened to them? He's over there.
Oh, yeah.
Split up.
What have the Romans ever done for us? Oh,
What I've
no.
got on here is you're aiming for toast salad. You're not toast on salad. Toast, and then your tuna salad, and then your eggs on toast, and then you had a jacket potato with schneid, didn't you?
That was the morning. What did I have in the afternoon?
And then your 2 hot dogs and your chips.
I don't even know why I go shopping anymore. I might as well just come.
Just come here.
I'm just going to bring everyone here for dinner.
I'm moving in.